How to organize a garage. Well, what you want to do is get your important stuff first, right? And then you have your tools section here, right? And then in an organized manner, put everything in the spot that you need. So like right now, I have a TV that's gonna go 1 point up somewhere. But now we need to find the bathing suits and stuff for the beach. So I designated a very good spot for it, which I think is back there. Okay, so what we need to do is just slide this thing out the way, pick up this bike which fell off the rack. Maybe let's try to just get to it without moving everything. Oh no, I guess we have to move it. And I will have to blame someone. Why is that here? I don't know. And these are lifesaver. Because I could go like that and solve all my problems, and that almost fell off my head, on my head, but that's fine. Is it all here? Let's see. See, perfect. It's like I knew exactly where they went. Alright, so how many do we need? We need 1, 2, 3. More than that? I think we're fine, right? Maybe this, I don't know what this is. Oh. Okay, let's get this. Okay. Ta-da! And that's the proper way to organize stuff. What's in here? Let's double check. No, that's the blow up tent. Alright folks, if you need more advice on how to organize your garage, just hit me up, subscribe.